I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Lexy chain shoulder bag with floral tooling. One really interesting that you normally shy away from a lighter color bag, but this one here is really well done and pretty. This here, the color here is what they call the chalk. I do have a white background and you could still see the color difference. It's more of a really light color beige. Very subtle beige. As you could see here, it comes with a silver color hardware. It has a silver color hand tag and really interesting pretty design. It's a little bit on the subtle side. I'm gonna bring this closer. As you can see here, it has a Coach logo. Let's take a look on the side. And this is the other side. And really interesting zipper pull here on one side, and that's the bottom of the bag. Now, one interesting fact about pebbled leather is scratch resistant. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside here, it's been held together by a magnetic clasp, and it divided out into 3 separate compartments. On the first compartment here, I put some paper to hold the shape. It comes with 2 slip pockets along with a darker color linen lining. On the other side of it, it comes with a zipper pocket. Let me take off right here. And in the middle here, it has a really nice pull, a woven leather with the metal design here. So it's not your typical thing. Oh, there you go. And this is definitely a good size bag. Compare this to the size of the water bottle. Right here, you can technically put, I don't know, 5 to 10 bottles of water bottle in there. The dimension of this bag here is about 13 inches in length, excuse me. It's about 10 3/4 inches in height and about 5 inches in width right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.